So yeah, we're building the Allison, and I don't know if you guys know this, but it comes with both a numpad and a main board. So we're gonna start with the numpad, and we're gonna use H1s, as you can see on the title, most likely for the main board. And I've been dying to try those TTC's V2. They seem to be very good, so we're gonna see if they feel good on the numpad. So here's the beautiful carbon fiber plate that we're gonna use. And I think we can start soldering. So let's do that. And we're gonna feature the solder cam. Brought to you by Mr. Keeps. All right, so I think we have our placeholder switches soldered. I'm gonna go ahead and populate the rest of the board. I think I just made a mistake and I lubed less switches than I needed. I don't know what I was thinking, to be honest, when I lubed those.
Two hours later.
You can never underestimate the level of my stupidity. Okay, I think we're good to solder again. Let's do it. Feels very nervous, close to an iron. All right, let me do a quick check here to see if everything is soldered. And we can move on to the main board. Yep, looks like we got them all. Gotta catch them all. All right, let's move on. All right, so amongst all of this, I have one switch that has like a white indicator that should be our spacebar. So I need to pay attention to that, but I'm gonna start with the peripheral switches, if you will. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I forgot one here. Still need to find my spacebar switch. And some of those switches are being like a pain to... They're not properly closed, it seems. So I'll have to do something very unorthodox, which is to bite into the switch. Look. Yummy. I know, right? But it still doesn't... Let me show you what the problem is. No. Basically, I don't know if you can see, but the legs are ever so slightly open because of the film. So I need to try and push them back into position. Let me see if I can do that. Yeah, let's replace with one of those because I think I have 2 or 3 extras. Can we win? Can we win? Don't think we can win. Come on. This is a tight plate because now the switch is not that. The legs are not that open this time around. Can we have... finally! Thank keyboard gods. So this is the inspiration for the keyboard. Can we find the... Does she have the pose here? This one. There you go. I can recognize it. So this is the same as the logo of the keyboard we'll see. So yeah, it's a great idea for the inspiration. So we have a lot of H1s left. Always a good thing to have left. Let me just see if all the switches are pushed through and touching the PCB. All right. Here we go, guys. Okay, so let's continue here to see if we got all the switches. Yep, so it looks like it wasn't that bad this time around. Let's test the PCB and both PCBs before we put them on a case. Let's see. There we go. So I think this one here on the upper right is not working, but I think this is probably numlock. No. Here we go. Let's test. Sorry for the Josh overwhelm. Let me reset this. Here we go. Yep, I think everything is working as it should. Okay, we are good to go. I think I should route the cables and maybe put a just put the PCB daughter board in place. Okay, here we go. Let me grab, where's my other? Let's see if this now makes, yep, perfect. Very good. That will help with the sound. All right, here's the beautiful little numpad. Let's move on to the main thing. This ugly little board here. There we go. The case screws. All right, here we go. All right, looks like we have a board, gentlemen. Okay, so we're gonna do this small bumpons here, courtesy of Mr. Hogoromo. Perfect, we have bumpons. Okay, I think we're gonna go with Oblivion. I think that's the easiest. We're gonna do Oblivion with Space Cadet alphas, which is my favorite. And we're gonna do the Monochrome Legends with this very beautiful accent All right, now we need to chase a few keys here. Let's try F1, F2, F3, F4, and if we like, we can go on to artisans. I like it. Do you guys like it? Would something like this be way off, like a bull? Let's try it on and see if it looks good. What do you guys think? Then we need to find something from there, for there. Oh, bottom right, you mean this one? What about that? Yeah, I don't mind this one. Yeah, I think I'll leave this one. I do like it. I like the sound. I think there's a little bit of a high pitch at the end, but I like them. And again, this is not what we're interested on, right? All right, guys, are you guys ready? Let's do it. Yeah, this sounds very nice. One thing with the H1s, they are very heavy. So I'm taking a bit of a hit on my typing speed, but let's try it again. A little bit better. Let's see how the hitting some keys here and there, how they sound. Let's see, like. All right, my friends, that leads us to the end of the stream. As usual, just wanted to thank you all for being here.